Good morning. This is Jan Schmidt again, and this is Ellie, my therapy pet with Paws for Friendship Incorporated. We're here today to make an urgent plea. I still have not heard anything from any attorney willing to represent any part of a case against Metropolitan Utilities District in Omaha, Nebraska for willfully, knowingly, continually frauding the customers of this public service utility. The taxpayers of Nebraska, specifically the Omaha and surrounding areas, are being continually ripped off because of this company still increasingly putting meters that are inaccurate, reading very inaccurate readings in their homes. They're being overbilled, everybody. This is an election year. Do not elect those that are wishing to renew their board positions. They were aware of a lot of deception. They were very much so aware that some discrimination, harassment to the part of where an animal was actually slaughtered, mutilated to prove their point. This company will not stop at anything, regardless of the situation, regardless of any legalities. This company will not stop at anything to get what they want, to overcharge people, to overbill people. You're coming in on a season where you're going to be using your heating and you're going to be overbilled because these meters, the gas meters, the water meters, primarily the water meters, I have documentation from management in the meter shop at MUD and in the meter reading department. Management, even at the highest level in human resources, was aware these meters were faulty, these meters were bad. I have it in their own handwriting. They were aware of this. I am personally still waiting for the 8th Appellate Court to decide if MUD has violated the 1990 Act, Americans with Disability law, because I was terminated and the information was documented on a letter from Human Resources stating clearly that I could no longer remain an employee because they were terminating my employment because they could no longer accommodate a disability I had. Clearly defining the Americans with Disability Act, it is a definite unlawful act. They used this attorney firm that MUD hired, willingly acknowledged on paper that the slaughter of this little animal was something out of nothing. The attorneys handling MUD's case, actually employed by MUD, primarily one attorney, was also included in this, as well as management at MUD continues to ignore any plea I have to go ahead and right this wrong. I've been terminated since 2004. I've been living on an income that barely gets me by, has gotten me into financial hardships, and seemingly seems to be never ending. The appellate court of St. Louis, Missouri was given the appellate brief to decide that I was cheated out of a trial jury in Omaha, Nebraska because of the improper and the illegal power from the judges in Omaha, Nebraska. I would like to right this wrong before 2009. I'd like to clear this out of my life. Before 2009, I'm asking anybody that's ever had any problem getting a disability payment from Social Security, I'm asking you to contact me because MUD was willing to pay an attorney fee in the state of Missouri to get me Social Security. They were not even going to question it. They wanted to automatically put me on Social Security, and I don't deserve Social Security. The people that actually do deserve Social Security are not able to get it. I need to be back to my job. I need to have my back pay. I need to be reinstated. I need to have all of the damages that they've caused me since 2004 corrected. I'm asking for everybody's help to pass the word, please. Do not elect the board officials that are trying to rerun for their positions with the board of directors with the Metropolitan Utilities District. They were aware of all the illegal doings. I have documentation that proves that the president, the secretary of the board of directors, willingly knew, as well as everybody else, was sent the details of the situation that was going on there. If you have been turned down for Social Security and you know you rightfully deserve it, get involved. actually get involved this year. I know it's an election year. Get involved. Help me. Help the ratepayers, the taxpayers in Omaha, Nebraska. Help me right this wrong. Help me get some back pay. Help me get my compensation for what they put me through. I want these taxpayers, these ratepayers of MUD, to be reimbursed for the money that MUD stolen from them throughout these years. Like I said, I have the documentation. I am an animal lover since I was born. The slaughter and mutilation of this helpless animal just threw gasoline on an already well-burning fire. I will not stand for this. You should not stand for this. This is the company that you pay your utilities bills to if you live in the Omaha and surrounding areas. Please contact me. You can contact me at 813-961-2822. You can contact me at 402-850-7476. You can contact me through the YouTube video. I would really appreciate everybody coming forward and actually standing up for what's right. This company needs to be stopped. The management needs to be relieved of their positions. The taxpayers, the ratepayers of Omaha, Nebraska need to be finally in control of a public service utility. If that's what they're supposed to be, a political subdivision of the United States federal government, they need to be aware of these things. They need to get these people out of office that are already currently holding office. And to the 8th Court, on the judicial brief, the appellate brief I sent in to you, clearly it is very obvious that they have violated the Americans with Disability Act of 1990. I'm asking and I'm urging for anybody to come forward, all you animal lovers that would like to know the attorney firm that was involved in this so they are run out of practice, please contact me. Thank you very much.